Guys, good morning. Let's go ahead and get started on our morning work. We're going to be working in our morning workbook on page 36, isn't it? Yeah, 36. Go ahead and get that open while I get the camera started. Okay. All right, so on the language part, it says read the sentence, then complete it using a preposition from the word box. We have the word on, to, until, and by. Jill can't play on, to, until, or by she cleans her room. It sounds like until would make the most sense. The cat is on, to, or by the kitchen counter. Probably on. Bill and Theo are going by the store. Okay, maybe, but to, most likely the right answer there. And Tiana parks her bike by the classroom window. There we go. Okay, if you have any mistakes, go ahead and fix them. Just don't leave them. You always want to fix them. All right, match the multiplication problem to its product. 12 times 2. 12 plus 12 is 24. Right there, 24. 5 times 3, 5, 10, 15. There we go. 7 times 4. Okay. 25 times 3. So we can count by 25. And 25 is 50. Plus 25 more, 75. $30 plus 30. Or 3 times 2 is 60. Or 6 with the 0 is 60. Where is 60 at? Okay. 6 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Eight times 4 is 32. And 7 times 5 is 35. Crazy, crazy lines. All right. Ma says we need wheat flour to make bread for a new family that settled 3 miles across the prairie. It's been a cold winter, but the snow has finally melted enough for the wagons to get through. Pa rides his horse into town to get flour from the miller and picks up supplies at the general store. Ma and I put on our bonnets and shawls and go outside to do our chores. I have to milk Tessie, our cow, and Ma is bringing a bucket to the water pump so she can wash clothes. Does the story take place now or long ago? Okay, I believe the story takes place long ago because it talks about getting water from the pump, wearing bonnets, and riding horse to town. Now you might ride a horse for fun, but not going to town because you would drive a car. Horse would be very uncomfortable riding to town nowadays. Do the characters' lives seem different from your life? Yes, because I turn on the faucet to get water. And you could say ride or drive in a car to the store. All right. If you don't have something, you can go ahead and write down mine. All right. So that is all that we're going to do in our morning work today. And what we have left for, so what we would do next, no vocabulary, remember. What we have left in grammar, let me shut this real quick. Okay. All right, so what we have for grammar is I'm going to put up the answer key for yesterday's task cards, and then you have a test to take on regular plural nouns, and you can use your book. So hopefully you wrote all of your things down in your book, and that way it'll make it a lot easier. Then after that, you do have a spelling test today. You can, as long as you get it done before Sunday, that would be, or by Sunday, that would be fine. And your 4 spelling assignments. And please make sure you get all of your missing work turned in, because I am grading on Friday. We're getting close to the end of the quarter, so we're going to be putting in our final grades that are going to go on your report card. And then you've got your math lesson today, and we're also going to do a few things in our social studies and science notebook. So, all right, I will see you over in grammar to go over our task card answer key and to talk about our test. All right, see you there.